Claude Mythos just got released and it's already setting the AI world on fire. It's outperforming Claude's top models, including Sonnet and Opus 4.6. In this video, we are going to go over Claude Mythos, Anthropic's secret project, and how you can use Claude Mythos to scale your one-person AI business. Because remember, with all these new AI models dropping, it's the ones with a proper execution plan that can turn these new AI models into real profit. So Anthropic's secret project is Project Glasswing, which it announced just a couple of days ago, and now Claude Mythos is being paired with it. Essentially, Project Glasswing is an effort of Anthropic to combine a bunch of platforms into one critical software using AI. So I'm talking about Google, Apple, Amazon Web Services, all under the same hood. And you see $100 million in usage credits committed. So it is a pretty big project. It's one of the most life-changing, AI-changing projects that have currently existed. And with that, there's Claude Mythos Preview. This is Claude's best model yet. They announced it prematurely. It apparently got leaked. But now they're officially announcing it. You see, found critical vulnerabilities in every major OS and browser, thousands in just 0 days, right? Autonomous discovery, and it's not generally available right now, but eventually it will be. And it is a little more expensive, $25 per million input compared to Claude, Opus, and Sonnet. But obviously, these models always get cheaper over time. So if you look at some of the real-world vulnerabilities, it's detected some cool things, but this doesn't really matter to you, honestly, so we can go ahead and skip this. Right, but this is a part that actually shows how much more powerful Mythos is compared to Opus. So if you look at these charts, Mythos beats Opus in CyberGym, SweetBench Verify exam, SweetBench Pro, TurnleBench, GPQA Diamond. In every major critical exam, Mythos is beating Opus. So Mythos can code better for you. It can reason better for you. Everything that you thought Opus was the best at, Mythos absolutely crushed it. I mean, some of these margins are nearly 15 to 20% difference. This is over 20% difference. You see in the reasoning agentic benchmark, humanity's last exam, which every AI tool is used. Opus was leading it. It was one of the best ones. And now you have Mythos absolutely crushing it with the 64.7. BrowserCom, OS World Verified, more SweetBench models, benchmark exams. Again, stuff like this, the difference between Mythos and Opus is absurd, right? And with this being said, like a lot of times Opus would hallucinate depending on more complex tasks. Like if you've ever tried using Opus to create an AI system for an enterprise like I have, you have to prompt it multiple times, right? The reasoning isn't as good as maybe you might hope, but that's just the limitation of most AIs. But now with Mythos, it's expected where you can genuinely one-shot or two-shot enterprise-grade systems. Yes, the security aspect you have to deep dive a little bit more into, but in terms of UI, backend, database setup, payment processing, all of it can be one to two-shotted. So looking at the big picture, AI surpasses most humans at vulnerable discovery. So if you look at security tests, Mythos class models, one of the biggest down points of AI was the fact that security-wise it sucked. When you vibe code a solution, it's very easy to hack. Mythos is Anthropic's attempt to make sure that software is being written securely as well as in a scalable way. Offense and defense, same capability. So coding abilities to unlock. This is one of the biggest main benefits of Mythos is how much better of a software engineer it is than Opus. And this will lead to more layoffs. As new Claude models are releasing, such as Mythos, you can expect more and more companies laying off employees. Like Oracle just did 30,000 layoffs like 2-3 days ago. So Mythos is huge for the cybersecurity landscape because with cybercrime and just software being hacked on a daily basis, how can you build enterprise systems that are secure? Again, this is where Mythos comes in. Now, while all of this is just jargon, at the end of the day, how can you use Claude Mythos for your own one-person AI business? Because you really don't care as much about the models as you do the execution of turning these models into real profits. So your AI employees that you've been building, or you've hopefully been building if you've been watching my videos, will now get smarter and faster so you can genuinely replace real humans. And you already see companies like Oracle doing so many layoffs and Amazon doing so many layoffs. And with AI employees getting smarter and faster, Mythos is going to result in more layoffs in the tech industry. And that is pretty sad, but that's just how it's going to work. So your AI employees will write better code, right? Have fewer bugs, less QA testing. You will be able to implement AI security, not just AI features. A lot of vibe coded software today is horrible because so many bugs. I used to be a software engineer for a year and a half, and we had to build the most robust software with minimal security risk, if not zero. And when you vibe code, these security risks are like 10, 20, 30. You might not even see it, but security is one of the biggest downfalls of AI. But with Mythos, that huge downfall, the number one reason companies did not like vibe coded software, the security risk is taken out. So this means that Mythos opens up a new door where you can not only be a business that builds AI solutions and sells it to clients, you can be a business that does AI security audits. So you can go to these enterprises and say, hey, your software might not be secure. We can do a free audit. If you find vulnerabilities, we can fix it. You offer the audit for free and you offer the fixing for a paid cost. And this is a new door that's opened. And think about all the software that people have vibe coded that companies are using. You can go to all these companies that are using all these softwares and propose this AI security audit, right? And yeah, cybersecurity is a new service vertical. So this opens us a whole new door. And when you are working with enterprises, maybe some enterprises shut the door on you because they're like, man, your software probably won't be secure. Now you can show them this and say, well, with Mythos, it's pretty secure. And that's one of the benefits. So how exactly you can take advantage is first position yourself as an AI security expert, because most businesses don't know this exists. A lot of businesses know AI, but they're scared of just using it, implementing it because security risk. So now if you talk about yourself as an AI security expert, business will be more willing to adopt you into their architecture, into their operations. So then you can also build security aware AI systems. That would be the next step. So as you do these AI audits and you find bugs, you can say, hey, I can revamp the software, make it highly secure, and this will just motivate more businesses to spend money on your AI security consulting agency. And to grow your agency, creating content around Claude Mythos is huge, because if you are able to be one of the first people creating content on Claude Mythos and position yourself as an AI expert, AI security expert, a lot of these businesses that, again, have been on the fence because of AI security will now come to you. The next thing you could do is sell AI security audits as a service. This is like software as a service, but now it's AI security audits as a service. Again, we talked about this, and you can upsell them on the actual implementation of these AI secure solutions. And of course, with Mythos, class models becoming available and your agents getting way better at coding, using autonomy, you need to upgrade your tech stack. If you're still using Opus or Sonnet, you are behind. You need to be using Mythos because it is what is the future. It is what's going to be changing the entire AI landscape. Now, for certain use cases, to be realistic, you might only need Sonnet, right, or Opus, or even Haiku, because it just requires less reasoning, less effort, and you don't want to be burning tokens and spending like $25 per million input, because that is kind of expensive. But the bottom line is AI just crossed a threshold in cybersecurity. The same leap in coding and reasoning that powers Mythos is the same leap that makes your AI agents unstoppable. So start building with it, selling around with it, and use it as your company's main mission statement. Talking about AI secure software, you can show Claude Mythos for Google ranking, and you can start a new whole business today if you wanted to. And we have another video coming out that will show you the exact steps of using Claude Mythos to build a one-person AI business. Be sure to subscribe.